In this video, we'll go over creating an invoice in a project. There's a number of ways you can do that. We'll start here from the project dashboard. First, you click on the Edit Add link at the top where you can add new things to a project. We're going to click Invoice, and this opens up the invoice form. All we need to do is fill out some basic information. And down here, we want to make sure we have the correct address. It's going to carry that over from the project as well as the tax rate. You can put a note to the client that'll show up at the top right of the invoice printout. Just hit submit. Now there's nothing on this invoice right now, it's just on the project itself as a header of an invoice. So we want to put some items on this invoice. So to do that, we click New Item. And we can either create a new item from scratch or we're going to add existing items from the project. And here you'll see a list of all the items that are available on the project that are not yet on an invoice. So we're going to just check off the items we want, and you can also filter this list if it's very long. And we're going to hit this link right here to add these selected items to the invoice. Click Update. You can see it removes those from the available list, and we'll go back to the invoice. And now we have these items on the invoice, and you have their totals up here. Now you can edit the items individually by hovering over the Edit Add link for each of these items if you want to change the price or specs or something like that on the invoice. You can also see that this item is on a proposal number 1, as well as the freight is on that as well. And you can see all the pricing information over here. If you hover over the little eye icon, you'll see the specs for this item. Now, if you want to edit the invoice itself in terms of the header information, you can come up here, click the edit link, and you'll see the edit page. You can lock the invoice if you want to so that it cannot be changed after you're finished with it. You can also publish it to the client portal if you have a client portal for the project that it's on. And when you publish an invoice, all of the items on that invoice will then be viewable on the client portal by the client. And lastly, we'll look at the print options. If you click on the print options link right here, you'll see there are a number of different ways you can print out an invoice. And when you do time invoices, you can print it out with time logs, which we'll show you in another video. You can also download it directly as a PDF. Now, when you print this invoice, it opens up a print preview that takes up the entire browser page. But when you go to format it for printing and you go File Print on your browser, the browser puts it all together, and we'll go portrait from landscape, and then you can save it as a PDF or print it out. Now you can save any printout in DesignerLogic as a PDF from the print preview in your browser. And that's how you use invoices in DesignerLogic.